Today, we're looking at the shake transition, a fun and energetic way to move from one clip to the next. First, import your two clips into the timeline and place them side by side. Right between them, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it to open the transitions menu. In the base section, scroll until you find the shake transitions. Tap on shake 1 and it will be applied between your clips. Now you'll notice a duration slider at the bottom. Drag it left for a quick, snappy shake or right for a longer, smoother shake. Here's the cool part. If you tap on shake 1 again, you'll see another variation in a different direction. There are a total of 4 variations for this transition. The same goes for shake 2. Tap it once for one style and tap again for another direction. This also has 4 different variations. Altogether, VN gives you 8 different shake directions to choose from, which makes this transition super versatile. And that's it. You've added a shake transition in VN Video Editor. Play around with the variations and durations until you find the one that matches your project's vibe. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN video editing tips.